Hello YouTube world, Baghdaddy 1911A1 here with the Shade Tree Survivalist. Just got something in the freaking mail here. Hadn't checked the Brownell's account in several days, but at the top it says Shipping Manager, Brownell's, 3008 Brownell's Parkway, Grinnell, Iowa. Whatever's in this box is pretty heavy. So, let me open this dude up. I reckon I had to damn jug it. I don't have a good jugging tool. Let me tell y'all something. I cannot keep up with a damn nice knife that saved my damn life. So, it's always oldie goldies that save the damn date. I'm hoping this is my part I've been waiting on for 10 months. Or damn near 10 months. If we've made it to the 15th of the month, it would have been, excuse me, not 10, 11 months. If it'd been the 15th. So 10 and a half, a little over 10 and a half months. White box, and on this end it says M1, M1A, M14 Trigger Group Assembly Fixture that I ordered April the 15th, 2019. The only thing Brownell's has ever let me down on. Now, having said that, it was not in stock when I ordered it, but I never would have figured in a million years it would have took this long to back order. That is a stout hunk of darn metal right there. That's the heaviest tool yet. I'm assuming it goes like that, I guess. And it's all black except for the little polymer piece right there. That's what it looks like. That is a stout built piece of damn iron right there. Let me see what the directions say. Now, for all you people out there think you can just up and figure stuff out, the destructions, as Uncle Fester calls it, are really worth their weight in gold. Oh, Lord, they don't give me no pictures. Come on now. I'm a Stone Age kind of guy. This is going to take some fun. This is going to be some fun to try out. But this is what I ordered. 11 months, almost 11 months later, I got it. But that is a heavy hunk. That's not aluminum. That is definitely all steel. And I'm hoping that this daggum thing will be the answer if I ever disassemble that trigger group again. But see, I wish I'd have had it telling which orientation, so forth, and figure out. It's got recessed holes here so you can mount it to a piece of wood or a block of steel or something, and mount to your bench so you can do it in on the bench. But it's a nice hunk of steel. A nice hunk of steel. Yeah, thank you very much, Brownell's. I know it. I was about to check it again tonight because it just said posted or something like that. It had not said whether it shipped, but I got it. Thank God, late, but I got it. Now I just got to figure out how to use it and the directions and so forth. But like I said the other day, I got that broke piece back in the trigger housing, and I almost told them no, I didn't want it, just to cancel it, because they're still showing out of stock as of Monday night or maybe Tuesday night. I didn't check it last night, so I'm not sure. But that's what I've been waiting on. Savannah tool out of Ohio. I want to say out of Cleveland, Ohio is a manufacturer of this. And really, honestly, what I should have done is just call them direct. But I'm a patient man. I finally got it, finally. And thank you, Brownell's, and to all the folks out there who listen to me whine. Thank you, thank you. But yep, my tool finally came in, so that's the end of this video. If I do decide to work on a trigger group in the future, I will of course do a video with the tool. But that is the last tool needed, with the exception of like a barrel vise and so forth, if I ever decide to build a rifle, which an M14 is not. It's not AR-15. It's not AK-47. It's a precision rifle, which those are too, but it's made out of iron, baby. Drop forged steel or cast steel, and it ain't cheap. The parts are not cheap. So who knows if I'll do that. But if I ever do any more trigger work, like install the EBR trigger that you can now have, I've got the tool that will make it the assembly a lot easier. Disassembly's easy. Just putting that thing back together without breaking that one piece, that's the hard part. But anywho, Mac Daddy 1911A1 with the Shade Tree Survivalist. Just now walked in the damn door. And so I'm going to put this quick video up. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care. And we'll catch y'all on a flip-flop.